Hey guys, it's me, Jan, the CEO of Acquire.Fi. Welcome back to the channel. Happy to have you guys here again on Monday. During the weekend or last Friday, there was a lot of things happening. One of the main things that I want to cover is this Joe Biden that vetoed the 121 bill. And I covered the bill before, the 121. So basically, what the bill would do would take away a little bit more power away from the SEC. But now Joe Biden, unfortunately, has vetoed this bill, and that means that we're going to be fighting over this bill again. I think this is a major negative move by the president, to be honest, also by the Democrats. I don't usually go into politics, but I think this is a major negative thing that could actually affect the presidential election quite hard, because there is a lot of crypto people in the United States. There's 60 million holders, and I think there's going to be more and more crypto holders when the economy is going down so much. But yeah, this is definitely a quite bearish thing for Bitcoin. And if we go back to the chart, we're still on a uptrend movement. But I think if we break this trend line over here, we will see quite, I would say, bearish movement going forward to the summer. But I covered this before. Like summer overall, I'm not bullish. I'm not super bullish on the summer. If we see more flows coming in, of course, that would change the things. But overall, if you look at all the coins, and also Bitcoin dominance has been starting to go up again, which means that the total market cap of other altcoins are going down. This is usually quite bearish, and when this happens, there's something major coming up. There's another thing that I wanted to show you guys. I've been covering this before, but let's go here. One sec. Where is it? Oh, here we go. So the open interests are still very all-time high. Now, usually when there's a lot of open interest, we are going to see a major thing happen. We're going to see a major thing happen to the upside or downside. And usually when we have this like open interest to be so high as we have now, we usually see a very big dump happening. So if I would be a trader here, I would have leverage, I would not trade this market. I would be very careful. I think the best thing to do here is just buy spot if you're buying something, or just be outside of the market. But overall, open interest is still very high. I would say all-time high almost. There's still 2 months ago, I think it was higher, yeah, in March. But yeah, we should be very careful what's going to happen. Usually summer is very slow, and we could see something like a breakdown happening, something like this Wednesday. So going like this, and we're still following my drawings here. I don't see us going up until August. I still think that we're gonna see happening. We're gonna see like basically a lower side breakdown of BTC, just accumulator stage. We're going to be breaking down. We're going to be trading between 68 and 71, 72. And before August, nothing major will happen. That's just my intake. Another note, if we go to Bitcoin ETFs, actually the ETF flows for the past 7 days have started to go down a little bit, despite the prices being going up. This could be also because of what Biden did. People are hedging. People are taking a little bit from their profits. This could also be that, hey, the empty GOX Bitcoins are coming to the market, and there's a lot of OTC happening. But yeah, like if I would be a trader, I would be very careful. You never know. But I mean, overall, we're still, ETFs are going up. We actually went over 1 million now holdings of BTC, which is kind of major. And I don't see us stopping here. But we could see, as I speculated before, that in June, there's going to be low months, June, July, and then in August, we're going to see some pump happening. And usually that's the case in summers. Summers are very slow. So be careful out there. Also, meme coins like Pepe has started to take a little bit on the downside. We can go here. and we can see that, hey, we had a major uptrend, trend over here, and now we're losing a little bit more momentum. And if you look at the daily chart over here, we're still on the support. This is fine, but I would expect that we might go below this support line and go somewhere here. So be careful if you're trading meme coins. There's another thing also I wanted to show you. One sec. We go here to Kaito. So Kaito is basically an AI platform that lets you see the latest mind shares of what's happening in crypto Twitter. And I've been very bullish on AI, and we saw some mergers happening in the AI front, but AI is starting to be quite trending in crypto Twitter. And memes have started to lose a little bit control. GameFi has been on a downtrend, and ETFs are also starting to get a little bit bearish, so to say. But AI is still going high, and despite we took a position, or at least I took a position on Tau, I'm still accumulating. I think Tau and BitTensor, or BitTensor overall, I see a lot of bullish things. On another note, I'm happy to see that Portal that we invested in is seeing some major uptrend movement. And people who don't know, Acquire.Fi lets you invest or participate in different pre-sales, seed rounds, angel rounds. And we were lucky enough to get into the angel round of Portal. That was 5 cents. So we are enjoying this ride a lot. But yeah, there's another note on Portal is that the last distribution of airdrop farmers was now. So after this, it's only pre-sale people left. And I think that's going to affect the price quite a lot. But obviously, do your own research. This is not the financial advice. But happy to see Portal coming up in life. They had a major downtrend from when they launched, but we could see it going back up to $2 again. So quite exciting news there. Another thing that I want to show you guys, and why we are being a little bit slow with Acquire and picking like what we're deploying in, is that there's a lot of new projects coming up. We've never seen so many new projects coming up. And this means that when they're launching, it's going to be very hard to get the same multiples as before. Usually when you invested in angel and seed rounds, you would be getting like 5x, 10x, or even 50x. But nowadays, because there's so many projects coming out, I think this is going to affect the market quite well. There's not enough liquidity. We're still not seeing all the public people, or I would say normal people, participating in pre-sales or in exchange listings. And this might affect the multiples that you're getting. But what's good, if you're an angel and seed round, at least you're getting the best price possible. So yeah, you guys should, if you guys are not in the Acquire.Fi chat or Acquire.Fi channel, please join. And we also have our tier 5 community if you have over 42,000 tokens, and we share there everyday alpha. So that's pretty interesting. And yeah, we're trying to be more picky than before. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think we're just very careful where we put our money. And lastly, I wanted to cover a little bit about Ethereum. So Ethereum was the Ethereum ETF launched or announced last weeks, and we can see already the flows going out from exchanges. And this is actually pretty bullish for Ethereum. And I think overall Ethereum has not been performing that well. I was super bullish, super bullish in the beginning of the year. I was thinking that, hey, we're going to be seeing 4,500, 4,400 before March or April, but unfortunately we didn't, and we have started to consolidate, kind of like a BTC. And I don't think anything special will happen before we see some ETF flows. But remember, Grayscale has still $9 billion worth of Ethereum that they can dump. And I think the same thing will happen. We're going to see ETFs goes live. Grayscale is going to dump a lot. And after they dumped, we're going to see the upward movements. So again, I would be very careful. I'm still bullish on Ethereum. I think it's a very good choice, but I'm a little bit cautious now, and especially now when the presidential election is starting to heat up quite a lot. You never know what's going to happen. So I think a lot of funds and hedge funds are hedging, and this is totally normal. But yeah, please stay very careful when you're trading. Don't use leverage, and hope you guys are getting out of these videos something. I'm happy to cover them every day. Please like, please subscribe, and please share. Thank you.